Have you been searching for a perfect guacamole recipe? I think you found it. Our guacamole starts with mashed avocado. I mashed 3 avocados into this bowl. You can use as many as you want and then adjust all of your ingredients accordingly. I'm adding a half of a lime that I juiced. Stir that up so that the lime gets distributed in and among the avocado. I like the lime in my guacamole. It adds a brightness of flavor and it also contributes to keeping the guacamole nice and green. I'm also going to salt and pepper these tomatoes that I've chopped. This is one large Roma tomato. And we like to use a Roma tomato because it doesn't have a lot of juice in it. So I want the salt and pepper to flavor that tomato before I add it to the avocado. The other ingredients we're using today are 1/4 cup of fresh chopped cilantro. This is 1 large garlic clove that I'm going to use my garlic press and squeeze into the avocado. Get the rest. Now adjust your garlic according to how large your clove of garlic is and what you think might be desired by your family or your guests. Now I'm going to add the cilantro, all of it. 1 can of chopped green chilies, all of it, undrained. 1/2 cup of red onion. The tomato. And 1/2 of a very large jalapeno. You can adjust your jalapeno as well based on the size of the jalapeno that you get. Make sure that you seed it and takes the ribs out if you don't want it to be too hot. Once you've added all the ingredients to your guacamole, you're going to want to let it sit for a bit so that you can then taste it to determine if you need to add some salt, a little pepper, maybe a little more lime juice, and if you're going to need any hot sauce. I like to wait before I add the final amounts of hot sauce and salt and pepper to let the flavors that I have already added meld together a bit, and then we'll go from there.